soon as the countdown's
Well,
done.
Jaja, let's see if we can get your vac off at the start, honestly. I know it's a frontal guard now, though.
You
Oh,
don't
never
suck, bro.
mind. Okay, never
He's just
mind, he's
killing
useless. Yeah, let's get the shy bus.
He's a rat.
Okay, flankers are going. Okay, main ball's stepping up now. Okay. Step
Popping
up.
Misty.
Pop PAs, pop PAs, pop PAs, pop PAs.
Slow.
Okay, they're all over the place. You guys are just gonna have to.
my
Okay,
God.
they're
Holy
gone.
fuck,
Okay, they're
Yo.
gone. Okay. All right, guys, I'm gonna sit off on the side. I want you guys to skirmish them.
Pop Delusive in their front line.
Bro, I don't think you need to lose.
Okay, guys. Yeah, no, Delusive. No. You play like gods. Stabs. I want you healing. I don't want nobody dies. Nobody dies. Stabs. Heal. Yo, if you're low, ain't no good. I got you. I got you. I got you. Okay, there you go.
I'm going here in the center.
Okay, I'm trying not to get kills. I'm literally standing back. Okay, good. Good. Go together. Go forward. Go west. Yeah, fight with that dot. Fight on that dot. He's okay. If you're gonna attack me, kid, I'm gonna fucking kill you. I will swat you like a fly.
Heals.
Heal me.
It got interrupted.
Okay. All right. Oh, watch it. Here's another
Shut up,
bomb. Witches
that's
go
fine.
forward. Witches go forward. Do not stand on the back line. Guys, you can't just stand on the back line. There's so many of you back here. Kaka, you're back here too. What are we doing? You have got to go forward. Go forward. Yes. Go with your front line.
Popping Shy Buffs just behind you guys.
Oh god, I just deleted it.
It's not fair, bro.
Popping Misty here in the center.
Oh my god.
No, they're close. It's a close match. I want to be clear. I'm coming in just to make sure that we're winning. Like, you guys are losing. You guys are just losing. Like, flat out. Come back to me. Come back to the spawn. Okay, get ready with PAs. PA2s. Go west. Go. Everybody go. Go together. Good, keep moving. All the way to their ball. Do not stop on the one guy. You guys all stopped on the one fucking guy, guys. What are we doing? Guys, like, why are all of my witches constantly stopping on the first target? Stop doing that, kitty. Stop fucking doing that, guys.
I got CC'd.
Come back to the spawn. No, stop getting fucking CC'd. Your fucking class is perma protected. Come back over here. Shy buffs, let's go.
No way.
Shy buffs, now, quickly. Okay, all right, step up. Well, we have PA1s in 10 seconds. Step up with, just step up. Pre-engage west, go. Main ball, go. Do not stay in the back. Go forward.
Popping Misty, walking forward with it.
There you go. Go forward. Ain't no good. You're not forward enough.
Bro.
Fuck out of here.
Popping Delusive
I
in their
just
back line.
swatted that motherfucker. I said, get the fuck out of here.
Bro.
Okay, I'm gonna be this. Guys, help me. There's Taiga. Oh, he's CC on pings. Big damage. Oh, he got up. Careful. There's a guy coming for me. I'm just trying to disengage. Good. Get ready with PA1s. Look southwest. We're gonna bomb. Pop PA1s, and go southwest. Go. Bomb. Go forward.
Walking in with Delusive.
Yeah, there you go. Good. You all CC super armor together. Good. Now go look back east. Now look back east. On Kaka. Okay. Right here in the middle. Right there. Good damage.
Popping Misty.
Drop a heal. Heal.
MTC.
Heal. One of the four stabs. Drop a heal. God damn, guys.
Popping Shy Buffs over here.
Good. Another heal right here. Another heal. See,
I'm dead.
Kitty, you're just on your own way too frequently. You've got to go forward with people. Come back to the middle. You've got to stay with your clusters.
I'll work on it.
Good. Come back to spawn. Back to spawn.
Meet him with Shy Buffs.
Yeah. Yo, shy bubble.
Popping Shy Bubble.
There you go. Now fight in the shy bubble. See, they can't fucking kill you. Although it actually ended, so we're all just dead. Okay, nice. Fight here.
Popping Delusive.
Okay, guys, move across. Give me PA2s and bomb. PA2s.
PA2.
Okay, good.
Popping Misty in the center.
Kitty, I'm healing you. You're fine. Yo, heal for me, heal for me, heal for me, heal for me here. Heal for me here. Remember what I told you. Drop a heal. Drop a heal for me.
Dropping
Why am I
heal.
healing myself? God, dude, casters, hello? There's 5 of you. What are you doing? I need another
I'm
heal.
lagging.
I need another heal. Why is it just Kitty healing me? Give me a heal. I need a heal. Nagumin, why are you not healing? Heal! Heal! Nagumin! I'm right next to you! Heal! God damn it, you teleported away, you fucking like fun person! Holy shit! Heal! 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 Heal, retard! Heal! Nagumin, you come out and you fucking heal, you understand? TP out and heal now! Heal! Do it! There you go! Now give me PA1s.
Heal.
Now give me PA1s. PA1s. Pop PA1s. Southwest. On me. On me. On Bings. Guys, our back line. Guys, heal on the back line. Heal on the back line. Heal on the back line. On me. I need a heal over here. Right here. Practice this. Come heal me.
Hold it.
Ah, somebody come heal me. Why are there 5 staff? I still haven't gotten a heal. Where is McGowan, dude? What are we
I healed
doing?
you. I died right next to you.
No. See, you're not healing. Like, you're diving on me. Remember what I said. Come here, little boy. Come here, McGowan. You can't dive on me. You have to be near me. You understand? You understand the range? It's a range skill. We're good? Okay, let's
Yes.
bomb. Southwest, let's go. Pop PAs. Go with Sacred Duality. He needs help. Go now. Drop a heal when you get here. Drop a heal when you get here. Drop a heal when you get here. You see how Kitty's calling out heal? I want all of the staffs calling out heals.
Walking forward, elusive.
Heals again.
Healing?
Good. Like, put yourself in a good position to heal. Practice TPing to a good healing position. Magubin, practice using your keyboard, dude. You're just walking around unprotected. Holy fuck, that was embarrassing. Holy retarded. Hey, come out here. I have to TP away and heal myself.
Sure.
Yeah. Hey, Shy Bubble if we've got it. Push off the spawn.
Popping Shy Bubble. Sorry, that was
Okay,
probably
good.
too
Yo,
far
kill
forward.
everything in the Shy Bubble. Good.
I have PA ready.
That
Let me know
Remember
when.
class bus. Pop PAs now. Pop PAs. On top of us, heals.
PA.
Heals here.
Up on goes and caught a few.
Heals here. Why am I the only one healing? I'm the only one healing. Ah, dude.
6 seconds.
They just never learn, man. They never learn. Kitty could not heal there. She was in the middle of everything. Maguman should be healing. Kakaw should be
Heal.
healing.
I popped a heal. It's hallowed.
Okay, hollowed. Yeah, we need more heals, guys. Watch this bomber. There you
Got
go.
it.
Okay, watch the bombers. Kill the bombers. Okay, let's dive across.
Behind you guys.
We're gonna dive across. Let's go. Look west. We're moving.
Speed spell.
We're moving. Move up. Bomb. Hard bomb with me. Go forward. Hard bomb
speed.
forward. Drop a heal.
Heal
McGowan,
down.
why are you in the middle of everything? Every time I look, you're just right in the middle of everything.
Heal.
Pop elusive.
Good. Fight with me right here. On me, right here. I need help here. They're all super low. Good. Okay, don't stand right on top of me. Dive over here. Let's drop a heal. Drop
Baby
a heal
heal.
right now. I'm watching the stats
Heal.
now like a hawk. That's better. See how Kitty's healing from right there? That's what I want to see. Now let's bomb again. Let's go. Pop PAs. Pop remaining PAs. Hit this right here in front of their spawn. And their spawn.
Walking forward with elusive.
Go.
On.
You guys
Cool
don't
down.
Move up. Guys, hard bomb this. What are we doing? Casters, go.
I'm
Forward.
in there.
What the fuck?
What?
It took me out of the platoon?
Oh. Who were you? What's your character name?
Lee.
Okay, start walking up.
PA out.
Hulk BSR, go in.
Oh yeah.
Holy, nice. Oh, holy fuck. Yep, dive, very nice.
I got my PA up.
How
Oh
are we
my
doing?
God.
How are we doing? Okay.
We're gonna get melted.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Just regroup. Good. Good reset. Good. Good
Yeah.
reset. Good reset. Nice. Nice. Come back out here. Just come back out here. Just regroup. Regroup.
I did 0
They're
damage.
chasing. They're chasing. They're coming in. Coming in. Oh.
What? I just lagged.
I do no damage. I heal them. Holy fuck.
Yeah, I do like literally 0 damage.
I couldn't finish off like a fucking like 10% HP switch. That's crazy.
Oh my God.
One on the ground here. Down here.
Ground. Yeah.
Yep. Follow up. Follow that up if you can. Pop heals if you can. Pop heals. Oh, nice. Good one. Lots on the ground here.
CC'd one.
One on the ground here. Lead. Okay, just regroup.
CC's in the back. CC's in the back.
Yep.
Yeah.
Push in.
One really low here. Oh, got up. Nice. CC down. Bang.
Oh shit. Oh,
CC's.
They're sucking.
ping CCs and down people. I think we can.
Yep.
Yep, right here. Very nice. They're diving in. Look at the back line.
CC. I'm ping.
Yep.
CC's
Grabbed
in the
on
back.
me.
CC's in the back. You guys are just fighting one person.
Yeah. We gotta focus.
They're diving in. Look at their back line. I'm gonna do this here.
Oh, I.
Huge knockdown here.
Oh, I misclicked.
They're all just like right here.
Alright, I can't move. This
Holy
is-
shit! I just missed everything on them.
There one CC'd right here.
Holy mother abysses!
I think we gotta try to focus. Dude, this guy
We're not
will
gonna
die
get
in the
it.
back.
I tried.
Yeah. I mean, we could try it. I don't think it's a point of focus.
I pop PA,
Sorry.
pop PA. We're diving in here, right here. Huge stun, huge stun, huge stun.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, look. We got one, we got one.
Nice.
Yeah, screw that guy that's in the back. Like he's just not gonna die. I don't know if he's like.
That's fine. That was a
PR
good
means.
engage right there. That was a good
Gotta
engage
be.
on that
Another
ball
witch.
4.
This
Oh,
fucking map sucks.
See that?
Yeah.
You got him?
Nice.
Nice.
Good save,
Almost
good save,
grabbed.
good save. Thank you.
Right here.
Dear God.
Grabbed in the back.
CC.
Someone came to help him.
Okay, I'm just missing everything on that guy.
CC's in back, CC's in back.
I guess one.
He just wants to grab them, apparently.
CC's.
Grabbed here.
Nice. Group over here, group over here.
They're only sending like 2 or 3 people at a time.
I'm trying to give you BS. I gave BSR to the wrong person. Fuck my life. Alright, it's fine. They're trying to dive in.
Knocked down, but this guy's so tanky. I don't know.
Yeah.
CC.
Nice.
Nice.
Right here. This guy right here.
I'm down.
Oh, good
nice
heal.
CC,
Good
nice
heal.
CC.
Nice. Pop a
CC
heal if you
again.
can.
CC. Okay, brother.
Grabbed here.
Wait, he's so shit. He just so geared.
Yeah, no, he's just Omega gear.
Pop the PA on us if you can.
He might be
Pop the PA.
doing DR
Nice.
Skittles.
And yeah, just ignore that guy if we can.
Yeah. I don't think that's yeah, he does do. Yeah, I think he's running DR Skittles. Like, he doesn't do any
Yeah.
damage.
It's fine. He doesn't do any damage. Just keep
Yeah,
on pushing right
yeah.
here. They're all grouped right here. Ready? Me?
Oh shit.
Fucking knock. All in the middle. All in the middle.
Going for CC.
QCC in the middle.
CC.
Oh, God.
Hey guys, so how many people are in your group right now?
Oh,
10.
Ten.
You said you have 10?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
We're kind of
look-
juicing.
Okay. Did you win?
No.
We're
got
about to
one.
find out in like 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Just wait. Just wait
Oh.
2 seconds.
Nope.
Yeah, that one guy in the back that was just like living on a ball. We definitely just should have been ignored.
yeah, we 100 like when that happens, I think we just fucking run away. Like, it's no point.
You're talking about like the Deadeye or something was like shooting you.
Now,
You know?
now? Yeah.
Go. Oh,
Yeah,
well, these guys have gear, it seems. Never mind.
Oh, one guy. Oh, I fucking misclicked.
Oh, what? Why did my V-Knock fall off? Jesus Christ.
Finally, I touched my Reaper since. How stupidly.
I started to get grouped up again. Oh no, actually push him.
Nice blink, go. Yep. Good. Nice. Nice, good. Heal. No, you don't need to blink that left or back.
Wow.
Yeah.
Should I have just kept backing off there?
I think you could have healed. Like, did you have? Wait, did you use all your heals? Like the lighthouse and the little
No.
bomb?
Use the quick heal.
You should use the lighthouse.
Oh, that Corsair has a lot of gear. Holy shit.
Oh, no way, bro.
And
That guy, that fucking striker is pretty geared too.
like speed spell, use it to move for movement speed. There you go. And also as a casting speed. There you go. If you're running halfway across the map, you should be thinking about using a speed spell for movement. Is he healing? There you go. Good, nice. See, yeah, how you healed like 2 of them. It's not like you should be more grouped up like with your team, but yep, nice, good jump. Try to keep your back away. Oh yeah, I was gonna say.
The group by the spawn.
One last thing, make sure you use your Q block before you get engaged.
Yeah, right. Let me just do it.
Yep, perfect. Now you go. Yep, there you go.
What the fuck?
It's okay. You're good. There you go. Good. There you go. Nice. Okay, blink back. You got it. Yep. Because yeah, you're staying there a little too long. Good heal. Good. You can't walk around like that in the middle of battle. Just make sure you cast your abilities. There's a heal. You gotta heal. Heal.
I don't have any on cooldown.
Oh, true. Apologies.
They're gonna trickle into us now.
Let them.
Yeah.
If they trickle, that's you eat them. You eat them like Pac-Man. Teleport out. Yeah, there you go. Careful with that blink, like little small dash forward, because yeah, it's unprotected.
Yeah.
Yeah, that put you in a bad position, so you had to blink away, and yeah, you didn't have much available after that. Cute. Yes. Nope. Yep. Perfect.
Ah, fuck.
Odd spot over here.
Now this is definitely like you find your group. You're gonna definitely cast your CCs and everything, but make sure to use your class buffs here because like the damage reduction.
Oh my dude, this Deadeye does
like,
so much damage.
No, it's like get your CCs first and then you use a class buff.
Yeah, that was dumb.
Yeah. Because you want to make sure you're casting and giving your class damage reduction, but at the same time, not only you open. Yeah, you gotta remember, you gotta step out first before you blink.
CC.
And nobody's calling out their CC. But make sure to, class buffs. Good. This would be a good time to kind of heal. Yep, and then kill. Don't bait chasing people off.
Nice.
This would be a time to be using like your PAs and all that other types. Class buff. Shifty. There you go. As they about to engage, it's really good for damage reduction and just damage output as well. Yep, focus the ball. Yep. I don't like that dash forward, man. It's
Too aggressive?
that little like double dash forward is really dangerous. You gotta be careful with using that. It puts you in a really weird position. Yep. Oh, you had a ball right front, maybe.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, there you go.
Fuck. I hit the wrong fucking button, dude.
They're nuking right outside of spawn.
Yes, good. See, yeah, slam them with your front door. Yeah, good.
Okay.
Oh, you back up. Yes. Nice. Don't forget, you toxic flood. Like, see that? You see that person that was like,
Oh yeah.
Zerker? You toxic flood him because he's that reduces damage. His magic resist. And don't forget, you it's your E, and then you can just break the cast animation just by stepping to the side, or sidestepping or whatever, shift E or so, whatever, or shift E or.
Alright, push him, push him, push him. We got knockdowns over here, knockdowns over here. We got knockdowns.
Gotta be protected. That's it.
Yeah, I want the speed spell on. It's done.
Speed spell will be like right now, or like when you Q, then you speed spell. That'll be when you use it, yeah.
Bicker.
Yo, Gilwin,
Yep.
why aren't you using your
Yep.
SE, bro? That's
Thought
big
it was.
damage. Yeah, that's big damage. And CC as well. You ulted
Shit.
nobody.
That was double.
I know, literally, that was such a waste. I didn't even mean to press it.
And you
Fucking
just
damn
stood
it,
there-
bro.
You just stood there and died.
I'm a fucking.
You guys, you
retarded.
gotta group up though. I see
Yeah.
everybody.
Just
Everybody is like in different positions on the map.
Use your SE as soon as you come up. Bro.
I saw like little people
can we group
walking
at
with
spawn?
other
Gang,
these-
let's group at spawn. Group at spawn.
Yeah, let's spawn. Group up, group up.
Here.
Cast a heal on that person. Cast a heal.
Bounty, my
engaging.
boy.
Horsehair's on. Okay, nice grab.
They're bombing.
Oh, I can't be.
That person's iframes and all of, yeah.
Oh.
Use your rocket. Deadeye.
Come on, bro. They are focusing the fuck out of me right now.
As good positioning of the heal, but the problem was, the first thing you did was you jumped double, you teleported back into the fight right in front of the spawn point. Remember where they were all gathered.
Yeah.
Remember I said you don't want to jump right in front.
What the fuck?
Okay, that it saw you kind of casting too much or way too long.
Damn it, man.
You're up there with your heals. See what I mean? And your delt was your delt.
I'm trolling and I had the wrong crystals on. Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
I
could do so much fucking better.
Here, I'm going
bomb off the rip.
full damage.
They might dive us, guys. Be careful.
PA's out?
PA.
He's out.
Oh, this go in? Yes.
Oh man. Call out your grabs and shit, guy.
That is how we win every single fight. Valk ult into Guardian ult with PA, we do not die.
I'm sad that I'm not in this fight. These guys suck, right?
Yeah, we're turning. I gotta go.
Oh, I'm so sad.
This isn't even fair.
I didn't even be
Back up mid, guys. Let's regroup and let them come down.
Back up, feed Vern.
Yeah.
Heals are
Vern,
out.
whatever BSR you got.
Wait, oh shit, they're diving.
They're coming in. PA up.
Oh my god.
I got my PA.
Meg, get up.
Good PA.
Protect yourself, Meg. Big damage, big damage. Heals. Put heals on the ball. Heals on the ball. Heals on the ball. Heals on the ball. Good job. All right, get some damage in. All right, Meg's dead. I'm basically shot calling from watching Meg's stream.
Oh no.
Class buff up before you teleport in.
Nice save. Nice.
Oh, Striker 100 didn't care.
Striker 100.
That's the Striker 100.
All right, back up and regroup with everyone here, guys.
Back up, back
you guys
up.
Flanker right here.
Two flankers on the right side. Two flankers on the right side by spawn.
Meg was dead.
All right.
Need
Use
BSR.
BSR to Vern. Heals down.
Yeah, get me up. I'm almost full. Thank you.
I got you.
You guys ready? Go.
Go in with Vern. Drop your damage. Drop heals on the ball. Heals on the ball.
Dropping the thunder.
Meg, get your asshole into that fight. Get in there. Get in there. Drop heals. Don't jump.
Not in CC.
Nice. Good heals. Good heals. TP out. Get out. Get out. Nice move. Even though you died there, that was huge. You dropped so much HP for your team there.
Regroup on ping, guys.
Obama.
Fight left side. Fight left side, guys. Fight left side. V. Good V. Flankers in the back. Get your back to the wall. Get your back to the wall. There's flankers at the back. Nice heals. Nice heals. If you're not on the wall, get on the wall. There's still flankers in the back. Don't let them hit you from the back. Good kill. PA times. Give me PA timers.
1 minute and 20 seconds.
Yeah. Mine's up. Come to yellow ping or come to ping.
Yellow ping.
LPA.
BSR Vern. BSR Vern. You got a second here. Drop heals when your team gets in. All right, they're in on you. They're in on you. Fight. Stay protected. Stay protected.
You guys are only fighting like one person, by the way. The two flankers were just in the back fighting 6 people.
All right, everybody back up. Everybody back up. Give me one scout ahead. Everybody back up.
I'm feeding you, bud.
And go in. Get it done.
Oh, the shotgun got me.
Come on, guys. I'm not even in the game. Someone talk.
Push left side.
All right, stay on the left. Stay on the left. Push. Big group.
Yeah, for us.
Get in there. Drop a heal.
Grabbed? In a bed?
There's some flankers hit in the back. Peel for your boys. Stay left on that wall. Yeah, see that Awegu is just kiting right behind you guys on that wall. Good heals. Burn that striker down. Burn him down. All right. Get him. There's only 2 in there. All right. BSR for Vern. 2 flankers on the right side. Get to the spawn. BSR for Vern.
On me. BSR if you can. Someone, thank you. Got me.
All right, they're coming in. PA
is out now.
Up. All right, drop damage. Fucking show them what's up.
Strike ahead. CC.
The delayed push.
Strike a CC.
They're pushing on the right.
Nice.
They're pushing on the right.
Teleport out, Meg. Teleport out.
CC.
Just overstayed a little bit too long there when that PA dropped. Nice. Keep dropping those heals for your team. Big ball fight in the middle. Ninja flanking the ball from behind.
Nice save.
I'm dead.
Oh, I got grabbed.
Watch putting your back to the enemy there, Meg.
Oh, you're right.
Alright. Next point wins, so fucking just full send it, boys.
Hey.
Nice.
Oh wait. Oh no.
No.
If you had left the platoon and joined, you should have gotten in. But then you waited, and so I guess someone else hopped in.
Wait,
Do anybody frontliners at all?
Do we have a shot call on?
nobody's been shot calling here. Nobody.
Yeah, sure.
Guys, just I want you to call out your CCs at the very least, guys. Come on. If somebody could stream that, that would be really wonderful. But I'm not expecting it. Oh, we got a gold.
Oh, I'm trying to grab one, but they're dead by the time I get there.
Yeah, that's literally what I was trying to do.
Oh.
Are they that bad?
Yeah, pretty low G, I think. Except
They're
for the
squishy.
Nova.
Doesn't matter if they're bad, they're playing Suck Nova.
They hurt, but they don't take a lot of damage to kill. CC, oh.
All your CCs, guys, come on. I'm not there to kind of like scream at you to do it.
I did, I pinged it, but then they disappeared.
They probably V'd. It's okay.
Oh, I'm dead. First death though, so.
CC. I'm dead, I'm dead.
CC, oh, defeat.
That was a
Where'd they
fucking
go?
bait.
About to see them.
You CC right here? On me. Dead?
Only one person's knocking gang CCs? Wow, that's crazy. Crazy work. Good job, man. You're only on gang CCs.
He CC'd me.
I said, let me out.
Wish you can get more than 10 Caphras essences at a time. It's just so annoying.
Caphras? There's I
You
didn't
see
think
Thor?
No, the
I think Mike
Caphras
said you could get
essence.
100. Oh, Caphras essence. Oh, my apologies.
Yeah, the shit to make the new potions.
Yeah.
Yo, she just dodge rolled in front of us. What are we doing, team? She didn't lock dodge roll.
Guess they were better at taking the balls than dodging them.
We should group.
Yeah, we should.
Yeah.
Let's go over here, guys.
Nice. Good comms.
Watch them. He's diving. He's diving.
Yeah, there you go. Make sure separate. Make sure social distancing.
CC on Woosa. CC on Woosa. On me.
Oh yeah, that Guardian hurts.
Yeah.
Guardian
She's
yeah.
got gear. That Guardian's got gear.
Oh
Guardians
yeah,
will always
that
step
Guardian's
on
got
you.
hella gear.
Last buff. If we head out, last buff. We have witches or no?
On pings, on pings.
The one witch we had.
That Guardian's just light attacking and killed me in 2 hits. So
Yeah, that Guardian.
You gotta be good.
You see the Guardian?
I see Cedar too.
Kill him. It's 1 HP. Nice. Guardian's down. Push up. They got 2 down.
You see 2 of them.
Right here in your ball, guys.
You see this Guardian.
Guardian down. Fuck the stragglers. How about your team? Come here. Come here. Head over your team. Fuck the stragglers. Big ball here. They CC'd.
That ball's low.
Yeah, they're low as fuck. Come on. Dive in, guys. Dive in on me. Right here. Guardian down. Guardian right here on me. Good. Fight together, guys. Fight together. CC.
I should get spent for that. I like that.
Oh, this is a bad spot for me, BA. Oh my god, that Guardian hurts.
Double knockdown.
Look at the fucking Guardian.
Alright, I guess I'll look over and see what happens.
Oh my god. Wait a minute.
Yeah, CC them all. See if watch. Holy shit! Yes, I fucking did. Holy fuck, I fucking did.
Yeah, I'm cooked.
Wait, I should just
Damn.
CC them all.
I should have dove.
Oh,
They're not doing shit
dead.
to me for damage.
Yeah, that's the. You gotta stay protected, baby. We gotta stay protected.
Oh, I tried.
Oh shit! Shit, they're fucking coming back.
Yeah.
Hey, regroup in the back. Regroup in the back. Regroup in the back. Wait, they got fucking Vessel in here. What the fuck? Wait, ignore. Wait. Fucking just stop targeting Vessel so much.
CC right here in the middle.
PO for me.
Ran me down.
Oh, I missed everything.
Nah, wouldn't let me.
Damn.
Nice one. Oh, I just missed
like-
everything. Okay.
Yeah, Vessel's in the back. Oh, fuck.
Yeah, the Vessel's just in the back, just eating.
Yeah.
Eating.
Just try to
Pop your
get away
heals and
from him.
PAs. If you have heals, just do like a green ping so that we know you're about to do it, please.
All right.
Be great, actually.
That's one hit.
Yeah, try to regroup. Try to regroup over here. Most of the balls up here. Try to regroup. Come back.
One in the,
Pop
one in the
heals
back
if you
still.
can. Just keep
Vessel's still
yourself
in the back.
protected. You knocked him.
Knocked out.
Pop heals. Pop heals. All right. Pop your PAs and we start going in. Start going in. Start going in. Oh.
Okay. I switched to my fucking.
You just pop your class buffs as you see fit. Honestly.
Oh, I didn't even know they were back there.
Yeah, nice one.
Holy shit. Okay, now we're doing bosses at exactly the limit again.
Oh.
That was a slugfest.
Yeah, no.
They're low. They're low on our spawn.
With Azure, auto scaling keeps performance steady. So even when demand surges, you don't break a sweat.
Vessel's low.
Yeah, so low.
Group up, I would like to see if you guys have green things for heals. I don't know how many witches we have. I'm pretty sure we have at least 2.
Got him.
Nice. Start pushing up, push up. Left side.
Brand 5 years in a row.
What the fuck? Dude, I hate Corsair.
Holy shit. You just hit me straight through my super server. Fuck. Vessel's just fucking cleaving through us. Yeah, best avoid Vessel, please, and just go for the other members. Just got BSR'd.
He's just focusing me now too, Vessel. They weren't.
Good catch.
Big group over here. If you can gauge this.
Oh, they got it.
Keep pushing up this left side.
Guys, they're farming you.
Yeah, he just fucking
right here.
using his AoEs on the respawn.
You're regressing a little bit. Make sure move around protected.
Holy shit, Vessel Y. Oh, fuck. Should not have dived there. We have heals back here. You can pop heals back here. Heals back heals. Any heals?
I CC'd Vessel, but
They're diving in, dive in. Keep protected, keep protected.
Speed spell, speed spell, speed spell. Oh.
CC.
Yeah, for us.
Careful to the south, careful to the south. Yep. You're right up your ass.
damn it. Dude, that vacuum.
Keep pushing forward. Your class
CC,
buff should
CC,
be up
CC.
now. Good CC.
I got grabbed. That couldn't be.
Holy high roll.
I don't have damage. Fuck.
Oh my god.
Do I have any pings for heal? Any ping for heals? Any ping for heals? Ping for heals. Thank you. Thank you. Oh shit. Very nice. Keep going, keep going. Ping big CCs so I can re-CC it. I'm looking.
They're all low on that ball.
Oh,
You
look
CC right
at this. Right here. Big. Holy, wait, that was huge.
That was really big.
That looked fucking huge.
know.
Oh, I just got cleaved. Fuck, I'm retarded.
Sad.
There was some green pings for heals and people grouped up to it. I don't know much about Witch's heal, and it's regarding to like